This video is brought to you by DRV Technologies, IBM business partners and developers of Flex Tools. We're going to talk about the benefits of automating paperless report processing for power systems running on the IBM I operating system. I certainly don't need to tell you, the work environment is changing rapidly. Organizations today have alternatives to printing paper and manually distributing hard copy reports. Most of us don't get our news from the paper anymore. We get it digitally, online, or delivered to our mobile device. Isn't it time your organization distributed critical reports the same way? We're going to discuss an easy way to convert and email IBM reports as PDF and Excel with fully automated processing using SpoolFlex software, which runs on the IBM system. It's intuitive, well supported, and very reasonable. Most of all, it's easy to set up and install. What is paperless report distribution? In a nutshell, it's the process of converting IBM reports to digital formats like PDF and Excel and emailing them to the people that need them without any individual having to manually perform the task each and every time. Studies show that paper-based document management consumes up to 17% of an organization's gross revenue when you consider the costs of printing, storage, inventorying, filing, and searching for lost files. That's every single dollar your company generates over the span of 2 months just going through the shredder year after year. A solid document management strategy includes automating paperless distribution, which eliminates wasted paper and man-hours, putting information into the hands of the people that need it to make the critical business decisions for your company to stay ahead, and you focus your efforts on core responsibilities instead of chasing paper. SpoolFlex digitizes spool files directly to a variety of digital formats, including those you see here. The most popular by far are PDF and Excel. SpoolFlex is menu-driven, so you don't have to remember a bunch of commands, you don't have to do any programming and worry about keying the wrong parameters. If you ever need help, you can call on the vendor, DRV Technologies, for live technical assistance. So once you have a report into the digital format you want, well, then what? If you don't have SpoolFlex, you can manually convert files by downloading them as text or CSV, which can trick Excel into thinking it's a spreadsheet. Well, it's not difficult, but it's clunky and it's time-consuming and prone to human error. Assuming you have a way to digitize the report, you can manually email it as well. Obviously, this processing takes several steps. It isn't rocket science, but it's tedious, especially if you need to send a lot of reports. And then it's really time-consuming and inefficient. SpoolFlex converts reports directly to the digital formats you need and emails them without programming or any application modifications or a PhD in computer science. A lot of organizations have considered adopting document management but get overwhelmed at a planning stage. We have some great blogs on our website with tips on developing a comprehensive strategy, and really there are a lot of things to consider, but you don't have to have everything in place just to get started. We recommend this 3-step approach to provide a proof of concept that will show you what paperless report distribution can do for you. First, make a list and collect samples of those critical reports that people really want to get into Excel. Next, set up the software to convert those reports to the desired digital formats and the rules for delivering them to the correct people. This is where DRV can really be a big help with our superior technical assistance to get you up and running quickly. SpoolFlex will then convert your documents and look up the email address in a supplied address book and send it to one or multiple recipients. We can also read the spool file from data on the page. SpoolFlex will become your automated report attendant, emailing Excel and PDF reports in real time. File copies can also be archived to a server for company-wide access. SpoolFlex sentries turn your power system into an intelligent industrial robot that converts and distributes your business-critical data in real time. SpoolFlex doesn't forget, never calls in sick, and is on the job 24/7, 365. Recipients don't ever even have to see a green screen. Their reports just appear in their inbox. Spoolflex even has an optional audit trail, which is like Outlook's sent folder, allowing you to see everything that's been distributed by Spoolflex. So you can quickly determine if and when the report was sent, who sent it, search and locate to review and resend it if necessary. All of this adds up to tremendous time saving and improved efficiency. Archiving paperless reports to a file server provides company-wide access, eliminating the need for filing cabinets. Files created by Spoolflex are text searchable and dynamically named so you can quickly locate them. You can even search key tags to locate the specific files you're looking for. You can quickly locate and review them. Finally, a cost-effective document management system that's easy to implement and very easy to use. Don't take my word for it, see for yourself. Go to our website, drvtech.com, and request a free evaluation and use Spoolflex with your reports. We'll provide free support to get you up and testing quickly so you don't have to spend all your time reading manuals. Not ready to download just yet? No problem. Give us a call and request a demonstration. We can show you and your users how the software works with a quick online demonstration. You'll be in good company with DRV. Since 2002, we've been rewarded with over 1,600 software installations around the globe. Our customers range from small family-owned businesses to Fortune 100 international corporations. So whether your business is finance, manufacturing, distribution, or even a government agency, FlexTools will save you time and money for a small investment. You have questions? Here's our phone number, email, and website. Give us a shout and find out what paperless reporting can do for your organization.